Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how to find Easter low competition niches using Helium 10. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. So step 1, to find low competition keyword using Helium 10, you're gonna use the link below and subscribe to Helium 10. With this free subscription, you will be able to do 2 free searches per day. Once done, you're gonna click on the tool and you're gonna go to keyword research, magnet. Click on magnet and you're gonna enter here Easter. Okay. And then get keywords. He's gonna do his thing. It's pretty fast. As you can see, we have more than 18,000 keywords found. Because we are doing Mesh by Amazon, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the advanced filter here and show phrases that contain, we're gonna type in shirt. Okay. Another filter, competing product, we're gonna say minimum product 1 and maximum, let's say 1000. You can enter less product like 100, 200, etc. But by experience, I found that the more you enter, you're gonna have much more results and you will be able to define after that what is the maximum you want. Okay. And I forgot that with the free account, certainly you won't be able to enter the competing products. But if you want to subscribe, you can have 50% for the first month or 10% on a monthly basis. So you click on apply. Then you have now only 49 results. On that, you're gonna sort by competing product. From the lowest competing product, and we can see, for example, this one is only 26 competing products. You may ask yourself, flex seal colored shirt is not related to Easter. Why do we have here in the list? Okay, let's click on this show Amazon search result for this keyword. And we can see that the real flex seal colored shirt is this one. All the other listings here are not related to the product. But in Amazon algorithm, at some point, Amazon algorithm figured it out that people that bought this one also bought an Easter shirt or also bought all this kind of shirt. Okay. And even if I click on this one, the one on black here, if you look at the Amazon search bar here, and if I go to the right, you're gonna see he entered, we have the BSR for the t-shirt and reference keyword equal flex seal colored shirt. This means that Amazon linked now the flex seal color shirt with this one. That's why we have it here in the list. And Helium 10 was smart enough to find out that this one is related to Easter. Will I put it in my listing? No, but it's important to have it. For example, if you want to do ads and so on. The next keyword is Easter Jordan. Of course, we won't do that because it can be branded and so on. Chilling with my peep is kind of in the gray area, so I won't do it. And the fourth keyword, we have Bumps first teacher. We have Bumps first Easter shirt. So let's click on it to see what is it exactly. So looks like it's a t-shirt with pregnancy and so on. And we can see that here it's saying 98 product. Okay. But if I go to Amazon, it's a bit more, but you know that Amazon algorithm sometimes move stuff around. But on top of that, all the t-shirts are not Mesh by Amazon. we have a lot of merchant sellers and so on, and a lot of them are not really related to so on. Now let's check exactly how many people enter this exact phrase in their listing. If I type in Control F and I look for the keyword, I have 16 results. Let's see that. And as we just saw, like we have almost 6 that are not really on the listing. Here are now only 9 t-shirts on this first page that entered this keyword on their listing. Even less than that. Let me remove this extension if I can find it. Remove the keyword. Now I type in only 12 results. You can see 4. So from the 48 result on the first page here that we have, less than 12 t-shirts enter this keyword in their listing. So this is a low competition keyword. What you're gonna do is to create an insert t-shirt for mom pregnancy, that are expecting children. Okay, pay attention not to use the word maternity. You're gonna have your design rejected, but you can definitely use pregnancy, expecting, etc. Okay, so this is the easiest way, and you saw that like in less than 10 minutes I was able to already find a keyword, means a niche that with low competition. You can see that a lot of t-shirts here on this first page are not even merged by Amazon. We even have pop socket, even if I specifically mentioned here shirt, but the Amazon algorithm bring us like pop sockets and so on. That's why Helium 10 again was smart enough to figure out only 9 yield results really related to our research. So this is how you have your low competition keyword. I have here 49 that I'm gonna review, and I should be able to create a few t-shirts with this tool. So go ahead, use the link below, create your Fury account, and if you want to have much more features, like for example be able to filter the product and so on, you can subscribe. Again, use the code below in the description to have 50% your first month, okay, or 10% on a recurrent basis. You can use them, and once you are done, you can cancel if you want. Okay, thank you for your time and have a nice day.